are you doing?
What the front door is going on?
He said someone video it, so I'm videoing
what?
it.
That was good.
I don't
like
know.
I found the right tool.
What?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Found the right tool. Fits in the
Give it
hole.
to me, baby.
Saw that's not even funny.
Did you just hawk to that?
That's okay.
I'm talking to my mother.
I like it when the girls do Miss Pac-Man.
Glad. You gotta cup the balls.
Waka waka. Now that's the best. It's a pick a laboid.
What?
Exactly.
So this video got way too far out of hand really, really quick. So Burnsy's getting ready to put the clutch disc in, and then we'll get the pressure plate on so that we can start getting the transmission in and get everything taken care of.
You got a pop out of that.
Would you like to switch chairs? This way you can get closer and film.
Oh, I got that backwards. Just kidding, guys.
Right?
Yeah. Woo. I'm giving the best
Burp.
for you, Dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, right now, we're going to set this down. Clean the pressure plate surface real quick. And, oh, got all the flywheel bolts in now. So, I know the last little clip that Bobby did. Excuse me. We were waiting for some bolts coming. So now we got all torque to spec. Liquid Teflon, because I believe some oil does come through there. So yeah. My assistant's in getting me the brake clean and the rag real quick. And the next clip we'll have that all together. And start getting ready to put the bell housing on.
What do we say?
Later, guys.
What's up, party people?
So our special guest,
Damn, Xander, get under here. Then we're all under here.
one of the special
We're
guests,
having a party.
can stand up straight up and down
That's cheating.
Underneath the car, inside the...
Trans tunnel.
while the rest of us are going like this.
Yeah.
He's like, I can, sort of.
Well, yeah, Hunchback of Notre Dame. But no, being short is fun once in a while. It really is.
Hey, gotta make sure that you gotta
You
get
gotta
that
put that a little bit more down.
disc. Wait.
There we go.
What?
Okay, no, you're good. Transmission side. I see it.
Jesus.
I'll make sure it's the right way.
Smile. I'll grab your titty.
Oh my God.
Scotty,
Sir?
I got that. Bolts right by your face.
Here, because you can get in there a lot easier than I can.
There's a car there, Riley.
Oh, right here.
No, where the threads are at. This ain't
The other bolt hole. Right. It's a Joey assembly fest right now. There you go.
Go figure, I'm handing everybody else Joey's nuts.
Bolts.
Bolts.
Oh.
Yeah, bolts.
God.
That's it.
Alright. One more right in the bottom there. So, you, cameraman,
Yes, dear.
can you grab us a socket that will fit this place?
No,
Here, I'll step out and let you have a seat.
I'm checking. I'm looking. You okay, Scotty?
Riley, can you do me a favor? It's just somebody's privilege right now.
I'm not
you grab me
privileged. Special. I think it's a half.
half inch
Yeah.
socket
Scock it.
with the socket wrench, please.
Scock it. Scock it. Scock it. Hybrids.
Deep socket, please. I will make sure that it's all fine and dandy. Okay, but you're in my
Why are you
bubble.
so grumpy?
You're in my bubble.
Am I
In your bubble!
Am I in your bubble now?
Scotty! He's in my bubble!
He's playing in your butthole.
No!
What? Ow! Ow!
Take your tool and go put it back in your
I
box.
was about to put my tongue on your shoulder.
Oh, I will flip the fuck out.
I almost put
I
my.
can see your crack. Pull your pants up.
The world just saw your crack. All right, carrying on.